morning. Why should I be the chief donut maker for this brand? Number one, I grew up in the lifestyle. My dad had a 1972 440 Chrysler Imperial. It was a beast. Next, growing up in Detroit, I understand the mindset and the commitment of the Motor City. You understand, you hear the sound of that Hemi starting up, that 440 starting up, that 383 starting up. My dad was an electrician. I remember early on helping his friend with his car, and it had a 383 in it. He had problems starting it. I want to talk about the lifestyle and commitment. You want an ambassador, me hopefully, to represent the brand, to represent the commitment, the energy, take it to the next generation. I have an SRT truck. SRT stands for Street Race Technology, and I understand the responsibility. When I cold start my truck in the morning, I have chills. My neighbors hate me a little bit, but I have chills. But that's the responsibility. Okay, and I also made that a 426 stroker, ready for nitrous or boost. You have to understand Lynch Road. When I say Lynch Road, when I say Woodward Avenue, if you don't understand that, that is the strip, right? Being out there from 12 to 3 in the morning, that's all I need to say. Let's talk about the lifestyle, the sounds of cars, the responsibility. I want to be that ambassador. I want to understand and help you represent that brand ticket. I am a school teacher also. I also teach driver's education. How ironic, right? And let's talk about the commitment, the true lifestyle, bringing that brand into the 2021st, bringing the street race technology to new people, bringing up those guys who are in their 40s and 50s, bringing up that younger generation to be responsible, to not race on the street, but to have an area where they can drive safely and do their maneuvers, to have more brands come in and help these teens in Detroit schools, help teens in Michigan. I've been to Milan Drag Strip. I've been to Lapeer Drag Strip. I've been to Ubly Drag Strip. I've been to US 131. Also, in my early teens, I helped my good friend Larry Richardson, who was the tech director, and I'm gonna cry, Detroit Dragway, right? It's now closed. I had a chance to see those guys in their 30s and 40s bring out their cars that they had for 20 years, those 4-speed cars. It was truly an experience, right? So please pick me. I truly represent the brand. I live it. I have a SRT Grand Cherokee that has a 426 in there. I will show you that. And I understand the commitment. I would love to be your ambassador.